Hi, my name is Kushal Deep, and I had a surgery on 1st of August 2024, and Dr. Pankaj Hans treated me with the surgery. He was very much cordial and helped me with my procedures and everything, explained me everything in the detail with my procedures and everything. So I was admitted, and he took care of the surgery very well. And after the surgery also, he took care of the well-being, whether I was feeling well or not. So when I was discharged, he asked us to visit in regular intervals so that he can check whether the surgery has went well or not. And I am very much satisfied with the procedures that Dr. Pankaj Hans and his team has taken care. So I have visited after the surgery even like couple of months whenever in regular intervals, and he has checked whether everything is doing well. I would suggest everyone that he is a very good surgeon and very helpful in explaining the details as well. I am very much happy with his overall team.